To be a successful gardener, you need to have supplies and tools. Many times when people quit growing food, it's because they hit a barrier, they didn't have a solution for it, and then something that they were really into and something they could have been successful at, they're no longer successful at. One of my barriers to growing food is that I a lot of times get what's called contact dermatitis. That means I brush up against something and I break out. That is horrible, especially when it's summertime and it's hot. So I used to wear big shirts. Some of you all have seen me like in my dad's shirts. They're super big, but they're hot. The other thing is when I'm wearing bigger shirts, the holes of the shirt, things can get underneath it, and I still end up with contact dermatitis, and then I was all hot and extra sweaty for nothing. So I came across this site called Farmer's Defense, and they have these little sleeves. So I'm going to demonstrate these for you. And my sister, who also grows food, you've seen her in another video, she has these too. So you just put your arm through it, and it has this silicone, so it keeps it up. And I got hairy arms, as you know I joke about, and they don't pinch my arms. So you put these on, and they have some thumb holes. And these thumb holes are super important. It's really important that you actually put your thumbs through the holes. And for those of you that like to match in the garden, they have several different designs. I got this design because it was the cheapest and because I don't care about that. But the best part is the seal. The seal is when you put your gloves on. Now your hands and your arms are completely sealed up. I'm highly allergic to zucchini and squash leaves, so now I can put my arms right through there. It touches this and I don't break out, because breaking out for me means steroid injections, and those are no fun. And these are cool, so it's like that athletic shirt material. It's cool, it's wicking, I can go out and do my stuff, and then they're easy to wash. I've already washed these because I was working and I got stuff on them. I was able to wash them and they were simple. So if you're coming across a barrier in the garden, don't let that stop you. Find a solution. There's so many different gardening websites and farmer websites where if you have a problem, you are not the only person that have it. So I'm going to encourage you all to stick to it. And remember, anyone can be a gardener. You just have to get ready, get set, and grow.